Hello friend. This iPhone 15 Pro Max was not turning on. It was freezing on the startup logo, then turning off and going back to the logo repeatedly. The customer said it was dropped in water, so I diagnosed it and found the issue was with the power flex, which is also the volume flex. Let me show you the issue. I unplugged the power flex to make it work properly, so now I'll plug it back into the motherboard and you can see the issue. So this is what's happening. We need to replace the power flex cable to make it work perfectly. So let's do it together. This faulty flex cable is going under the motherboard, so we need to remove the motherboard to finish the task. Let's take all components out of the frame, starting with the LCD screen, battery, cameras, and then the motherboard itself. Okay, now we have these 4 screws holding the volume flex, and on the other side 2 screws holding the power button. Very carefully remove the screws and take the faulty flex out. And replace it with a new power flex. Here, I have taken the back glass off to adjust the flexes and other components properly. However, it is up to you how you are comfortable. Adjust the motherboard and tighten it with screws. And then connect the power, volume, and antenna cables to the motherboard. Now, place the front camera and then the earpiece speaker. The back glass is attached so I can easily adjust the back cameras inside the frame. Connect camera flexes and place the battery with the help of adhesive tape. Now it is time to test. Working perfectly fine. Finally, cover all motherboard flex connections with a metal plate and secure with screws. Place the LCD screen inside the frame and also the back glass with the help of glue. Do not forget to put the bottom screws to hold the screen. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for support and more video